Right, here we have an iPhone 6 that has had the backlight removed and it needs a new backlight fitted. So you can see around the edges there's no mirror polarizer damage, it's all nice, just the glue that's left on the edges. Now the glue that's right on the far edges, you don't actually need to remove all of that, because when you have the new polarizer, the new backlight on, sorry, that's not visible, it's not in the visible area. So you just need to make sure that this core bit in the middle is clear of dust and glue and any other jazz it's got on it. And around the edges there's no smears and there's no glue that sort of creeps into the viewable area. If it's in the viewable area in the middle, it will be viewable after the new backlight and you need to start the whole process again. So I'm using lint-free cloths here and acetone to get it cleaned up. You can see the light above me is sort of a green type of UV light, and it's really good at showing up dust and hairs and bits of lint that are on the area right before you put the new backlight on. I use it for laminating the glass to the LCD, and I definitely use it for the backlights. The last thing you want to do is put a new backlight on and then find out that a little hair or a little bit of dust has crept in and you need to do it again. Right, so it's looking pretty clean. Down there we go. Right, it's looking nice. So now I'm going to get a new backlight and give the backlight itself a little wipe down with the same cloth. The acetone's pretty dry on it already, just to make sure there's no dust on it. Then peel the protective cover inside and go straight in. Align the top corners. See it down one edge there. Beautiful. Yeah, and this new backlight has adhesive around the edges, so that will now be stuck the same as the original. Up here, got some soldering to do, which I'll do in a little while. There you go, screen, new backlight.